Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Barb from G2S. Do you like pina coladas or getting caught in the rain? Well, hopefully you like pina coladas because I've got an excellent recipe to share with you today. Know that Puerto Rico claimed the pina colada is their official drink in 1978, and July 10th is National Pina Colada Day. Yay! As if we needed a reason to celebrate this drink, right? So I'm going to use my G2S cocktail shaker set, and this is where you need to decide if you're going to use a blender or if we're going to just use a cocktail shaker. So the reason why I like it shaken is because I don't like getting brain freeze, but my taste testers were really split on this 50-50. So whichever you prefer, either shaken or blended. So all you need is a cocktail shaker and a jigger. So next, I'm gonna put some ice in my cocktail shaker, and everything that I'm doing in the shaker, you would just do the same thing but in the blender. Okay, so I'm gonna put in 2 ounces of coconut rum and 2 ounces of pineapple rum, 2 ounces of pineapple juice, and 2 ounces of coconut cream. And don't look at the label to see the fat and the calories. Just enjoy it. It's a splurge, just enjoy it. Life is short. So all I'm gonna do now is put the lid on really securely, and I'm gonna hold the top tightly and shake really, really well. So as you can see, I don't have any ice in this glass. So what I'm gonna do is called a dirty dump. And all that means is everything in here, I'm gonna dump it into here. So you could really go crazy with the garnish on this. I'm gonna put in an umbrella, a pretty straw, and a cherry. That is really, really delicious. Actually, that is perfection. It's creamy, it's sweet, it's delicious. And this is way better than anything that you're gonna get on vacation, because let's face it, all the resorts, they water down their alcohol. This is the real deal. I calculated the alcohol content in this, and it's actually equivalent to 2 alcoholic beverages. So it really packs a punch, so drink responsibly. So thank you to all my return viewers for watching this video. And if you're new to this channel, thank you so much for tuning in today. And if you haven't done so, please go ahead and hit the like button and the subscribe buttons below. That helps to grow this channel so we can keep on bringing you great recipes. Thank you so much, and cheers.